everyone and welcome back to a Mia makeup tutorial and a warm welcome here in Bali. So I bought a few Indonesian makeup products and their makeup brand is called Wardaha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, if the sound is not nice, I'm sorry. I have a few people learning how to swim in the pool, and yeah, the surrounding is outside. So, and I'm so happy that I can do this video today because yesterday something bit me on the eye and it's still a bit swollen, but I'm going to do this video and I'm going to show you how to do a daytime look for Bali and also using their products. My preferred look for a Bali makeup would be only mascara and a lip tint, and there you go, because it's very hot here, you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. But because I bought the makeup, I'm going to show you how to do it with their makeup. So the first one is the eyeshadow that I bought, and this was about 17,500 Indonesian dollars. And then I always start with my brows. So I bought the Wardaha eyebrow kit like this, and I'm gonna start by doing my brows. So the eyebrow kit were 51,000 Indonesian dollars. It was about 52 rand in South African rand. Yes. So they have a dark brown, medium brown, and then there's a wax. No, this is a highlighter. Concealer. This is a concealer. So I'm going to start by doing my brows. And for myself, I'm using this light brown. Okay, so my first brow is done. You really don't want to spend a lot of time doing your makeup in Bali because you have a lot to do and you want to enjoy your holiday and not spending time to beautify. This is actually a very nice product. The color intensity is amazing, and this cute little brush helps a lot. You have like a mascara one brushing your brows, and then you have an angled brush to fill it in. So my brows is done with my Wardaha brow kit. I like it. Next up will be eyeshadow. So they didn't have a lot of eyeshadow colors. It was blue and green, and I wanted to stick to a natural color. And the eyeshadow was about, let me just check, I think 17,500 Indonesian rupees. Hey? Rupiah? Indonesian rupiah. But I say dollar for the brows, I'm not sure, but it's Indonesian rupiah. Yes. So it is 17,500, and that means it's almost 18 rand. Yes. I'm going to start by using my highlighter color just under my brow bone. Like this. And also a bit in my inner corner. Then I'm going to use my medium color, just applying. Whoa, this eye is still a bit swollen. Well, both eyes are now swollen. Oh wow, I gotta work with it. Yo, this is pink. I'm applying the pink in a rainbow shape. I'm not sure if you can see this though, because I'm recording on a cell phone, so it might not show as it should. So I'm just applying this medium pink, you can say all over the eye, like this. And then I'm going in with a different brush with my darker color in only a C shape in my crease. Now, to be honest, this I'll rather wear on a night out than during the day in Bali. Yes. And a bit under the eye. So, for myself, I would say I need a bit darker color in the crease. So, I'm going to use my brow kit, and I'm going to use the medium brown going into my crease as well, just to give my eye a bit of a depth. Just to give my eye a bit of depth. Whoa, this was quick. Just to give my eye a bit of depth. Okay, because my eyes were swollen, they really can use some depth. And then also a bit under. I forgot to say, so before I started this makeup look, I've used my Theravine SPF. It's very, very important to wear sunscreen all day long when you're in Bali. And then I've also applied a bit of foundation, but you really don't need foundation because it's freaking gonna melt off and sweat off in the first 5 minutes when you step out. Bye! My next product that I bought was eyeliner. Also Wardaha. And this is a gel eyeliner, smudge proof. I bought this because I truly need waterproof eyeliner. And the eyeliner was 34 Indonesian rupiah, which means it was 34 rand, almost 35 rand in South African rand. And this looks like, ta-da, this. You have your little brush on the head, and then you just open. Oh wow, this is really creamy. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to apply a bit of it under my eye, also a bit on top of my eye, and I'm gonna smudge it with my brow brush. So the other thing that I bought was abstract eyelashes. If you want to go out the night, you can use some eyelashes, and this was a full 14,000 Indonesian dollars. Indonesian rupiahs, which means it was about 14-15 rand in South Africa. So these lashes you can use on a night out. I'm not gonna wear it because it's now morning, and I don't want to struggle with sweaty lashes. Then I bought this Wardaha Eye Expert Aqua Lash Mascara. So this was about, the real price is 49,500 Indonesian rupiah, but I got 10,000 Indonesian rupiahs off, which means I paid only 39,500 Indonesian rupees. So that is about 40 rand for your mascara. So this is also a waterproof mascara. Ah, this is nice. I'm going to apply my mascara. So I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to apply another layer. So while it's drying, I'm going to do my lips. So I bought this everyday cheek and lip tint. Be happy every day. Stands on the box. And this was 35,000 Indonesian rupiah. Okay. Which means it is about 35, 36 rand in South Africa. Let's open. The smell is divine. I think if I can, I will eat it. But wow, amazing. So you can choose how you want to wear your lips. I like, if I only going to wear mascara for the day and a light eye, I like a bold lip, which means I have to apply more than one layer of this lip tint. So my lips is done, but I still need to apply another layer of my mascara so that my lashes can look very pretty. I'm not too fond, I think, about this mascara though. It felt nice on the beginning, but now it doesn't want to brush my lashes so nice. So there you have it. If you really want to, you can apply a bit of the lip tint on your cheeks. I'm not a big fan of blusher, I rather apply contouring, but I don't have contouring now. I'll take a picture and then I'll show you how this makeup look like. And there you have it, a natural Bali makeup look. Like I said, you don't need a lot of makeup in Bali. You can only use your mascara and the lip, but if you really want to do some extra effort, you can apply eyeshadow. And if you forgot your makeup, there will be a pharmacy selling makeup and also other shops, but I prefer using the pharmacy. And then the other thing is, they do have foundation here, and it was about 40,000 Indonesian rupiahs, but they don't have testers, so I didn't want to buy the foundation and then it's not the right color. So if you want to, you can. I hope you enjoyed my Bali tutorial. Have a lovely day.